Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can search the text in your chat in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open up the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can easily install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it and you can go ahead and click on any group or chat in which you want to search some text. So go ahead and click on the group or chat. And you should click on the three dots on the top right hand side and you can see search. Now as soon as you click on search, you can just go ahead and search for any text you want. As soon as you search for it, you can see that you will be headed to the exact place where you have written the text. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search for football, and you can see that it will highlight some of the text which shows football, and you can go up or down accordingly. You can also search the contact or date. So if you want to search by date, you can just go ahead and jump on the date which you want, and all of the messages on that day will be shown. And you can also show that the contact option will be there. Go ahead and search by contact, and there you go. This is how easy it is to search chat or search the text in chat in Zangi. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.